Uh, because this is payment, right? So when I say to you, we can use the how to find the payment. How this question will find the payment? Suppose you want to borrow 20,000 for new car. You can borrow at percent per year and compounded monthly is 0.06 per month. If you wish to take a monthly installment payment over a 4-year period, what is your monthly payment? Not a yearly payment, it's a monthly payment. Okay, if you use the calculator, use the simple uh, formula, you need to use it. Okay, you will get the amount of monthly payment is 488.26. Okay, but if you will use a financial calculator, it's very simple. You key in 48. Okay, 48, which one will come? 48 4. Okay, 4 multiply by 12 months. Okay, so you will get 48 months. Okay, you will get 48 months. Alright, okay, you will get 4 times 12, you will get 48 for the period. Okay, 20,000, okay, is a PV. 0.66667% is a interest, because when you put here you need to divide it. Okay, how to get 0.08867 is 8% divided by 12, this one. Okay, 8% divided by 12. Okay, that's why you will get 0.667% per month. And then you press compute, and then you press payment, you will get 488.26. So your monthly payment is a 488.26. Alright. When you can see number of payment, you also when do the loan, you can know how much that you can, how many times that you can need to pay the loan. Okay, how long that you will pay the loan. Okay, so when you can see the question, suppose you are borrow 2,000 at 5%, you are going to make annual payment is 342. Okay, so you will get 2,000, you have this interest rate, you have the annual payment. So how about a future value? Okay, when you loan, meaning that you already pay, so the future value will be 0. Okay, because you pay the loan 374.2, so the future value is a 0. All right, so how long? Okay, the question is how long will you take pay off the loan. Okay, so from the formula we do this, so we'll get number of 3. Okay, so this is use the algebra, so you will get the formula. Okay, from this formula you need to calculate how to get a t, but I suggest you to use a calculator that is more easier. You press 5 in your interest rate, 2,000 is your PV, negative 734.2. Sir, why we press negative 7.34 in the calculator? Because this is we pay to the bank, cash outflow. Okay, this is total that amount that you are owed. Okay, and then you compute number of n, so you will get 3 years. Okay, in simple way, use a financial calculator. Okay, if you know how to use this formula to transform into a t form, okay, so you can use the formula. All right, you already can find the number of payment. You can the payment amount, you can find the number of payment. Now you really can also find the number, the rate. Okay, suppose you borrow 10,000. Alright, you buy agree that you pay is per month for 60 months. Okay, what is your monthly interest rate? See, from the formula you can use it, and then you will get the R is a 9%. But you will use a simple calculator, financial calculator is very easy to get. You will get 0.7%. But remember, this is rate for 1 month. So you need to multiply by 12. So you will get 9%, the annual rate. But if you ask the monthly interest rate, so this is the answer, okay? But if they ask the annual rate, so it will be the 9%, okay? So you need to be careful this one, okay? Because this one is asked monthly, so the answer should be 0.05, okay? But if the answer is a annual rate, so what should you answer? Is a 9%. Alright? Okay. Now we will see the future value. Previously is different. Okay. So suppose you begin saving, your retirement is depositing 2,000 per year. Okay, meaning that you deposit 2,000 per year. If your interest rate is 5.7%, 7.5%, how much you will have in a how much you will have in 40 years? See how to recognize this is a future value? How much you will have a 40 years? Okay, okay, you use the formula, and then you will get 5454513.04. If you use a calculator, okay, 40 and 7.5 is interest rate, negative 2,000 is a payment, okay, okay, depositing per year, and compute for future value, you get 54513.05. It will be equal your financial calculator. Using the financial calculator, you will solve this problem very easy. Okay, but that's why I need you to know how to use the mostly use a financial calculator. All right. Okay. Now we go for the concept. We learn about annuity due and ordinary annuity. Okay, so now we go for annuity due. In annuity due, you have a saving for new house. You put 10,000 account in 8%. Okay, this is very simple. But the payment is made today. Okay, today due. Meaning that the number of period is when you see the timeline. Okay, when you see the timeline. Right, I want to show you the timeline. Okay, when you see the timeline, when you say that you will pay the at the end 0, okay, it's not at the 40, this pay at a 0, okay. Alright, okay, today means 0. How much we will have at the end of 3 years? Okay, at the end of 3 years. Okay, okay, the previous formula, this one is ordinary annuity. You see the difference in this formula is this one. Okay, see, you need to plus 1 plus R, so you will get, okay, this formula is this one, and then this one is, you need to add some more in the formula is 1 plus the interest rate, so you will get 3506. Okay, so you will get this one. Alright, so if you use the formula, okay, if you don't set your calculator, okay, if you don't set the calculator, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, but you need to set the calculator, so you will get 3506.12. The difference using the formula, you need to plus something, okay, 1 plus interest rate. But when you're using a financial calculator, so you need to set the beginning. Okay, okay, when you see the annuity timeline, okay, okay, for in this question, so we can see that It's not start from the 1. It start from the 2. Okay, it start from 0. Alright, when you use the formula, so you will get this one, and then you will get the 3506.12. Alright, okay, and then I think that's all. So this is the table. So you will get the present value. So you will get PV, FV, R is interest rate, T, N. Okay, sometimes I use R, sometimes use T. Okay, in this cash amount is a payment. Okay, in your calculator I use PV, PV, RI is IY, T is N, C is a P, MT in your financial calculator. Okay, so this is the formula for perpetuity. Alright, so it's also different. So I think that's all for mathematics of finance. I hope that you can understand and do the exercise. So this subject of mathematics and finance is basic for the next chapter. Okay, I mean, if you understand this, you can answer for the next chapter. Alright, so end of this chapter, mathematics of finance. I hope that you will understand and learn and do the exercise. You will get more understand. You will improve your understanding in this mathematics of finance. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.